Hello kids, today we are going to learn colors. Are you ready? Look, this is a color red. Kids, can you say red? Very good. Wow, this is blue. Kids, can you find something blue around you? Good job. Look, the color yellow. Kids, what else is yellow? Great! Green is the color of trees, grass, and frog. Kids, let's say green. Amazing! Wow! We learned so many colors today. Let's say them together. Red, blue, yellow, green. Great job, kids. You did amazing. Today, keep practicing your colors. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AC Kids TV. See you next time. Bye-bye.